In the early hours of November 13, 1942, USS Juneau was part of Rear Admiral Daniel Callaghan's formation during the brutal Naval Battle of Guadalcanal. She was struck by a Japanese torpedo and fell out of line, then limped south toward Espiritu Santo with other damaged ships. But later that morning, a Japanese submarine spotted the withdrawing ships and torpedoed Juneau near her magazines. The resulting explosion was so violent that nearby crews thought they were under high-altitude bombing. She vanished in a cloud of debris within seconds. The senior officer present, Captain Gilbert C. Hoover of USS Helena, faced a terrible choice. Only 2 destroyers remained with his battered force, one badly damaged. Searching for survivors would mean slowing to a crawl and risking another torpedo attack, potentially losing more ships and jeopardizing the Guadalcanal campaign. Hoover decided to press on and reported the location to a patrol plane. But the message never got through. Of about 120 men left alive in the water, only 10 would survive. When Helena reached Noumea, Halsey relieved Hoover of command, judging him unfit for further combat. Hoover's record had been exemplary, earning 3 Navy Crosses, but Halsey believed prolonged strain had clouded his judgment. Months later, urged by his new Chief of Staff, Rear Admiral Robert Carney, Halsey reviewed the case. He concluded Hoover had acted in the best interests of victory and admitted he had been wrong. Halsey requested Hoover's reinstatement, but the damage was done.